Desmond John Ballantyne, better known as Ninjaman or the Don Gorgon, was a towering figure in Jamaican dancehall, renowned for his electrifying performances and controversial lyrics. However, in 2017, the music legend's life took a dramatic turn when he was sentenced to life in prison for the 2009 murder of Ricardo "Ricky" Trooper Johnson. The shocking details of his conviction and glimpses into his prison life continue to captivate fans and spark debates. Let's dive into this gripping story and uncover the truth behind Ninjaman's fall from grace. In March 2009, a seemingly trivial domestic dispute over kitchen space in a shared yard on Marl Road, Kingston, escalated into tragedy. According to the prosecution, Ninjaman, his son Janiel Ballantyne, and co-accused Dennis Clayton were involved in a violent altercation. The prosecution's star witness, now in witness protection, claimed Ninjaman fired shots at him and fatally shot Johnson. The trial, marked by 17 missed dates and 23 mentions, culminated in a guilty verdict on November 20, 2017. Ninjaman was convicted of murder and shooting with intent, receiving a life sentence with a minimum of 25 years before parole eligibility, while his son and Clayton faced 15 years each before parole. The courtroom drama was intense. Ninjaman, known for his bold persona, reportedly gave a thumbs up as the sentence was read, maintaining his innocence. His attorney, Valerie Nata Robertson, argued he was unfairly targeted due to his fame and past reputation for gun-related lyrics. Despite character witnesses like dancehall artist Statius describing him as a peacemaker, Justice Martin Gale emphasized Ninjaman's prior convictions for cocaine, 1996, and firearm possession, 1999, noting he hadn't learned from past mistakes. The judge's words underscored the weight of Ninjaman's public image as a bad-maned DJ, which may have swayed the jury. Behind bars at Horizon Remand Center, Ninjaman has shown resilience. In 2023, Statius shared that he appeared in good spirits, even joking about losing his Beanie Man belly. He's remained active, penning letters to Jamaican leaders like Prime Minister Andrew Holness, proposing prison reform and rehabilitation programs. Ninjaman's 1,600-word letter in 2023 outlined ideas like vocational training and inmate-run businesses, reflecting his desire to transform incarceration into an opportunity for growth. Despite a health scare during the trial, described as a mild heart attack, he's reportedly mentally strong, supported by family and friends. Ninjaman's appeal, set for June 2, 2025, keeps hope alive for his release. His legal team is scrutinizing trial transcripts for discrepancies, though the loss of Nata Robertson in 2024 was a setback. Fans remain divided. Some see him as a victim of his past, others as a cautionary tale of dancehall's violent undertones. Don't miss out on more exclusive updates. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest on Ninjaman's journey and other gripping stories. Hit that notification bell to stay in the loop.